Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a minion bitmoji on the Snapchat. So how you can basically do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your profile and right here you have to click on the avatar. Once you will do it, now select face and just skip it. Once you will do it, here bitmoji is here. So first of all you have to select the skin tone, just select it to yellow, then go to the hairs, select in here, use this one. And once you will do it, after that you have to go to the eyebrow, and from here you have to select this one, or you can select any other from here. So once you will do it, after that select the nose and use this one. And once you will do it, now simply you have to select the eye color. First of all make it with glasses. I select this one. After that change the eye colors. So once you will change the eye color from here this, then go to the caps here, and here you will find a crown. Just place it and then simply save it and select the outfit as well according to your choice. So I simply select this one and then click on the save. So this is the way